Okay, today I'd like to go on our series of Vulnhub. The box would be NiveK. To save the time, I have already imported into the VirtualBox, and the IP address of this box has been identified as 254. And as you can see, the Nmap scanning has already been displayed on the screen. And from the result, we can know there are 3 open ports. The first one is 21, and second one is 22 for SSH, and the next one is 7080. So at this point, we need to do the first job is to emulate or collect information about the FTP service. So let's log in as anonymous user and no password, but no file, nothing at all in FTP directory. So now let's quit. And also we can know from the FTP service is VS FTPD, and the version is 3.0.3. So this version doesn't have any vulnerability we can exploit. So I think the next thing we can do is to head over to browser and let's visit or access the HTTP service, which port is 7080. So it immediately prompt us the login page or window. So we can select the role. Of course, we try to get the privilege of admin or administrator. So we select admin, but we didn't have any email or password. So what can we do? Let's view the page source to see whether we can find something useful. There is some comment. So for any PHP code igniter or Laravel work, contact me. So this may be the email of the administrator. So we can try some very random or any user information and try to log in. Invalid email or password. So now we can try if we can use the login bypass technique. So like test.com login. So please enter an email address. So it apparently there's some validation locally in the browser. So what we can do, let's open up the inspect or developer tool, and we can locate this field. So you can see there is a class, and the type should be email and required. So maybe we can remove this field, and then we can try to admin and login. Yeah, login successfully. So now let's look at some functions or functionality of this portal, and we try to look for the vulnerability and get the shell. Nothing useful. So we can go to the dashboard and check the source code. So let's scroll down this code of the page. Yeah, almost at the bottom there is some comment, and here has one link or file. So maybe we can try this one. Copy this into the browser. Yeah, we can open up this page or file. So the next step would be to upload our reverse PHP code. Yeah, here we can browse and upload. So we can copy and do some modifications for this code, for this PHP reverse code. Just needed to change the IP address to our actual Kali Linux address, IP address. And also I'd like to change this port number to my favorite one, 5555. And write and quit. And now we can set up the listener. And we can browse our PHP reverse shell. But first we need to go into our working directory, which is NiveK. Open and submit. So no error returned. Yeah. As you can see, we got the reverse shell from the target. We can check the ID. And we can go to the home directory. So there's two users. We go to the error. Oh, permission denied. And also we can go to the NiveK. So maybe we need to first make our shell interactive. Python import pty module and spawn method. Yeah, and now we go to the home directory and go to the NiveK. No problem there. And we can got the user flag. Okay, no problem. So the next thing we can try to find the files which has SUID bit, and then we can exploit this to escalate our privilege. Perm. Specify the type as a file and redirect error to null or black hole. So you can see this file has SUID a bit, and we can execute to try to make privilege escalation. So now we didn't get the root shell, but as you can see, now we are the we have another row of elem. And now get to the home directory, elem. So there is one bash script. So maybe there's some cron task which will be executed regularly. So we can check or cat the cron tab. Yeah, as you can see, every 5 minutes the background will run this script, and we can check the privilege of this file to know whether we can modify this file. Yeah, because now we have already switched our shell to elem, so now we can run this execute. Oh, sorry, my bad. We can modify or change this file. So we can use, because we need to get or spawn a new shell, and we can copy. We can use this one and copy it here and change the IP to our Kali Linux, and the number of course should be different, like 666, and we can copy, and then we can append this command to this file, I mean the backup file, and we can echo, paste in here, and append into this file. Yeah, no error. We can confirm this by cat the backup. Yeah, we already append our reverse shell command to this file, and then we need to set up another nizna sudo. Sorry, misspell. Yeah. Oh, sorry. We need to use another port number, and then we need to wait for this to get the reverse shell from the target, and then we can get the root shell, I hope. So because this file, as you can see, the cron tab, this command will be running in 5 minutes. So we need, oh yeah, we have already got, but we are still elem. So maybe we can sudo. Yeah, we can run the tar, and we can go to the website of this website and to get the help. Yeah, we can run this command, sudo, and paste that command here. And now, yeah, now we are root, and we can go to the root directory, list the content of this directory, and we got the root flag. Yeah, that's it. We successfully complete this box of the NiveK. This box, yes, a bit involves some not so straightforward, and need to spend some time to get the way, and so that get the share first, and then escalate our privilege. So this concludes my today's video. Thank you for patience and time. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel. Bye.